So on the main screen of the Apollo SMT-850 thermostat, we have the ability to control a number of different things. And some of the things you want to be able to control is people not touching it and changing any of the settings. So if this is a commercial application or you want to limit the ability for someone to control the thermostat, there are a couple of different ways you go about doing this. So now, how do we go about doing that? We touch the top left and the bottom right at the same time. Tap and hold as per the manual. And then we see here we got option selection. So this is 01. If we go next, we want to push this through to 06, which gives us the ability to see how it says locked or unlocked. So when we're going through this, we are going, option 1 is all functions unlocked is 0. 0 equals all functions unlocked. If we go to selection number 2, that will give you the ability to lock everything bar adjusting the set points. So helpful for like in an office space or the kids' bedrooms or something like that. Or option 2, it gives you locks all functions on the touch panel, and then that would mean you can't change the mode or change the temperature or anything like that. Once you've got to the right selection, you just wait and pause. They allow for the touch panel to revert back to the main screen, and when we get back to the main screen, we'll be able to see how it has been locked. So now we've got the main screens on, and see how we've got the lock symbol coming up, and no matter what we push, there's no action. If we tap the top left and bottom right, again, hold. We go to the back screen, we push next through option 6. So we go back into there, and we go back down to 0, and then we pause, and let the screen revert back. If you don't action anything for about 20 seconds, it will then say you think that you're finished doing whatever you want to do, and we'll go back to the main screen and give you the ability to do what you want to do, function as an end user rather than an installer setting. As I said, top left, bottom right is the installer setting page. Now reverted back. Now we can go in, we can adjust the temperature, we can then change the mode, change all the timing and the dates and so forth, and we can go through in other videos and show you how to do that. If you want to click on the link below, we'll have more information about about the Smart Temp. We'll include the manual for the Smart Temp SMT-850. Now there is the previous model to the 850 was the 840, very similar functionality with some slight subtleties, but overall very much a similar thing. It's just the 850 is an upgraded model to the 840.